Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a keto chocolate chia pudding breakfast bowl with you. It's a real mouthful, but it's really easy to make and it's a great breakfast to make and keep in the fridge, and then in the morning you've got a lovely breakfast waiting for you. It's perfect for summer when you just feel like something a little chilled. So let me talk you through the ingredients and then we will get started. We've got cocoa powder for our lovely chocolate. Because I'm making this as a meal, I'm including some protein powder, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But yeah, chocolate protein powder just makes it lovely. I've got stevia to sweeten. I've got my lovely chia seeds over there, and yes, you can definitely have chia on keto. They are little fiber nutrition powerhouses and just incredible. And we've got almond milk. I'm using almond milk as my milk of choice, but you can use any milk you like, and we will measure everything out and get mixing. So I'm mixing everything together in a bowl, but you can feel free to do it in a mason jar, or if you want it super smooth you can use a blender and blend everything together instead. I'm going for a cup of my milk. Pop it into the bowl. I'm going to go for a nice generous tablespoon of cocoa powder as my chocolate flavor, and we'll give that a nice stir through to just help that chocolate dissolve a little bit. Okay, it's not perfect, but we'll get there. And that's up to you to sweeten how much you'd like. Teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of stevia, and then chia seeds. I'm going to go 2 lovely tablespoons of chia seeds. And give that a gentle stir through. If you want, you could pop it into a blender to make it super smooth, but I just quite like mine nice and thickened. So next we will add a scoop of protein powder. Now obviously if you're wanting to be strictly low carb keto, then make sure you find a low carb protein powder. So I've mixed my protein powder through. It smells pretty lovely and chocolatey. Just make sure everything is nicely mixed in and dissolved into your milk, and then we'll pop it in the fridge. This is great to make in the evening, leave it be, and in the morning you've got lovely chocolate chia pudding. Or you could make it in the morning and go out for the day and come home and you've got a lovely cold meal waiting for you, or snack, dessert, whatever you like. But I will let this thicken for a few hours and show you what it looks like once we've got a lovely keto chocolate chia pudding breakfast bowl. My chocolate chia pudding has been in the fridge a few hours. You can take a look. It's thickened up beautifully. You can see if you go in with a spoon, it's a lovely pudding. It's almost like oatmeal, isn't it? It just makes such a lovely breakfast, and you can enjoy it just like this, or pop over a couple of sliced strawberries like that, maybe even some more chia seeds, some nuts. I'll leave blog posts down below which will have this recipe as lots of ideas, as well as lots of ideas for toppings. I'm just always so excited by chocolate, strawberries. It's just such a yum breakfast, snack, dessert meal. Really perfect to keep in the fridge for when you want something nice and sweet, and it's really a whole meal with the protein powder, chia seeds, good fiber, nutrition and everything. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this lovely keto chocolate chia pudding breakfast bowl a try. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.